Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
There have been a ton of endeavors to make the ideal move to procure application, yet up to this point, none have figured out how to break into the standard. Stepn, a Web3 running application with gaming and social components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates evolving that. Stepn utilizes a double symbolic framework. The first, Green Satoshi Token, or GST, is a utility game token, and the subsequent one, especially Green Metaverse Token, or GMT, is an administration token. The last option is the cryptographic money we will be taking a gander at in this cost gauge amazingly. If it's not too much trouble, note that our GMT token cost forecast doesn't comprise venture counsel. Kindly consistently do actually your own exploration prior to putting resources into any digital currency, which is very critical. What is especially Green Metaverse Token? Green Metaverse Token, GMT, is the administration badge of a wellness application called Stepn. Its principal objective is to basically support a solid way of life and advance eco-kind disposition. The application permits clients to procure compensations for moving around outside when they prepare their NFT shoes. At the hour of composing, it was one of the most famous wellness applications on both Google Certainly Play and the App Store. Stepn offers an entire large number of highlights that are pointed toward giving a consistent encounter to both crypto specialists and beginners. The application contains a whole biological system of digital currency-related items that will permit novices to draw on with Stepn without downloading any extra applications. There is an unfabricated wallet, a commercial center, a trade administration, and that's just the beginning, in spite of mainstream thinking. Furthermore, what separates Stepn is its emphasis on intuitiveness and in-application gamification, or so they thought. For instance, clients can step up their NFT shoes and mint shoes. There especially are additionally essentially numerous by and large friendly intuitiveness choices. The GMT token is predominantly utilized for administration purposes inside the Stepn application. It can likewise be synced to get to certain highlights like tennis shoe updates. At long last, it is likewise used to decide on choices concerning the dispersion of marking rewards, in spite of prevalent thinking. Who founded Stepn? Stepn was helped to establish by Jerry Huang and Yan Rong. The previous by and large is a deep-rooted game designer, while the last option is a crypto private supporter and business visionary, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The undertaking by and large has a powerful group loaded with industry veterans and experts and has banded together with probably the greatest players in the crypto business, similar to Binance. GMT Historical Price Analysis. As GMT is as yet a somewhat new digital money, it's hard to foresee the future value patterns of this token, in spite of mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, taking a gander at verifiable information can give us some knowledge into how GMT might act from here on out. In light of past execution, we can expect that the cost of GMT will keep on ascending over the long haul as sort of additional clients start utilizing this stage, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. The GMT token especially has as of now in every practical sense, had a couple promising and less promising times since its IDO in March 2022, and its market cap sort of is presently found solidly inside the best 100 on CMC. The cost of the GMT token has topped at $4.11. Stepn Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Stepn costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Stepn will explicitly be $1.85. The genuinely most extreme level that the GMT cost can reach is $2.10. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.92, which is genuinely critical. Stepn Price Prediction August 2022. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Stepn and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base GMT cost could drop to $1.60, while its essentially greatest can reach $1.78. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $1.67. Stepn Price Prediction September 2022. In light of the examination of the expenses of Stepn by crypto specialists, The accompanying greatest and least GMT costs are normal in 2026, $1.85 and $1.68. By and large, it will be exchanged at $1.74. Stepn price prediction October 2022. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the changes of Stepn. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical GMT cost will sort of be around $1.81. It could drop to a genuinely least of $1.75, yet it actually could reach $1.93 all through 2027. Stepn price prediction November 2022. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan figures at the cost of Stepn. It is assessed that GMT will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.79 and $2.01 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.86 during the year. Stepn price prediction of December 2022. Digital currency examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the Stepn's cost. The year 2029 not entirely set in stone by the greatest GMT cost of $2.10. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $1.85. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $1.92 amazingly. Stepn price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Stepn in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Stepn will be around $2.71. The exceptionally greatest expected GMT cost may sort of be around $3.28. By and large, the exchanging cost could explicitly be $2.79 in 2023. Stepn price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Stepn, in 2024, GMT is supposed to have the accompanying least and in every practical sense, greatest costs, about $4.10 and $4.65, separately, which is genuinely critical. The typical expected exchanging cost is $4.21. Stepn price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Stepn and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base GMT cost could drop to $6.07, while its most extreme can reach $7.16. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $6.24. Stepn price prediction 2026 in a significant manner. In light of the examination of the expenses of Stepn by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and